Welcome to MySchool training. In this tutorial, we're looking at the new notification system available within MySchool. Please contact your CSM to discuss activating this for your school. When activated, you'll notice that all users will have a bell icon in the Quick Action toolbar. In order for this to work correctly for each user, they will need to configure their device and browsers to accept our notifications. If you check out the knowledge base article, we've included links to the most commonly used browsers around. Why not send out an announcement to inform them before the launch? As a super user, you can now start to configure these from the configuration panel. Your CSM will show you how to access this page and check your access rights within your user group. You'll need a special permission to be able to set these up. The configuration panel lists the different notifications available. It shows the target group to be notified, allows easy subscription for new and existing users, and super users can personalize the messages shown. The notifications available are for receiving an announcement, a behavioral event for the student, guardian, or a distribution group, can be informed when an invoice has been published, or when a student's attendance record has been updated. They will also show when an assignment has been published, graded, and even if a comment has been added. You can notify your school community when you have published the grade reports to the portal. Each notification alert will link to a specific page within your MySchool system. Let's check out the settings for announcements. Decide firstly whether you wish to activate this type of notification or not by using the slider. In the recipient field, you'll be shown the target group who will receive the notification. In this case, it will notify the recipients of the announcement when published. In other types, you'll see student or guardian as an option. In the behavior section, you can decide to notify an appropriate distribution group from your user group configuration. Let's go back to announcements now. We can now determine the behavior for new users. You can either leave it as the default subscribed or unsubscribed. This means that new users that are created within the system will be set automatically in the future to either subscribed or unsubscribed. Introduce this into your admissions or onboarding material so that your new students and users are informed. Before subscribing all existing users, let's first check the end message that will be sent. To reset to default, then just click on the blue link. Remember, these are notifications. The long messages may not be needed. The discrete message is an email notification sent to the recipients, whereas the personalized template is shown when users click on the bell icon in the toolbar. Build your message, and why not personalize it by using replacement tags. Click on the arrow to see the options. Then, click on the pop-up field to introduce them into the message template. Don't forget to add a space before the brackets. Top tip is if you wish to make a word bold, then add 2 asterisks before and after the word to make this stand out in the notification. After any changes, hit the Save button at the bottom of the page. And, as a last act, subscribe your users to receive this. Equally, you can unsubscribe if you wish and allow them to decide themselves. Let's impersonate a recipient and have a look. Users click on the bell icon and the list is shown. We can see the announcement notification. When it's opened, it will take the user directly to the announcement pop-up. Before going live, then test the following areas to make sure it is configured as you require. From a user perspective, the panel is similar, but it just allows them to enable or deactivate. And they can subscribe or unsubscribe as they wish. Staff members will only have announcements and behavior events available.